guys, so welcome back to another video. I don't have makeup on today and my hair is popping out. As you can see, I just did my hair. Also, I did do a scrub on my face and a mask, so that is why I decided not to put on makeup today for this video. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out the Zero Waste Bar hair and body bar. If you follow me on Instagram, and I will leave my handle down here, you will have seen that I got this as a press drop a few weeks ago. I did an unboxing video, and today I'm doing a first impressions on these products. As you know, they are a zero waste company, a zero waste brand, and it is good for the environment. So this is a hair and body bar. And we're also going to be testing out the body creams. So if you want to watch me test these products out and give you my final feedback, then please keep watching. On the Zero Bar hair and body bar and the body cream. Okay, so just as reference, before, my normal hair care routine is like every 2 weeks I will do a hair mask, but like on a weekly basis. What I do when I am in the shower is I normally shampoo my hair twice, and after that I put conditioner in and I leave the conditioner in for about 3 to 5 minutes just so that it can soak in and detangle my hair, because I do have a lot of hair. It is quite thick and very hard to maintain, especially post-wash when I need to brush it out and straighten it and blow dry it. It can get very tangly, and then that's at the point where it starts breaking and damaging and I have split ends. So I do a very intensive conditioning process, and then I rinse it out, and while the conditioner is on my hair, I make sure that I take a fine tooth comb and I brush the conditioner through, making sure it gets into each individual hair strand. It soaks in from root to tip. Before trying this, I was very apprehensive because my previous experiences using hair and body bars of this nature haven't been the greatest, simply because it's just one little soap bar, you know. There's not much product, there's not much stuff you're doing to your hair, and I've always had to do a lot to my hair in order to get it looking neat and tidy and clean. And the previous bars that I've used, they've always left my hair very dry, very dull and very tough. So I was not able to, when I'm applying the body bar to my hair, run my fingers through it while it was on. But with this, I had a very different experience. So as you saw in the shower, I applied it to my hair and then I rinsed it out. I did that twice because my hair is quite long now, It's almost halfway down my back, and it is quite thick, and my hair was very dirty. So just to ensure that I did clean it thoroughly, I did that process twice. I didn't use any additional shampoo, I didn't use a hair mask, nor did I use a conditioner. I simply just used this bar because I wanted to see its true potential. I am super surprised with the results. I mean, my hair my hair looks as good as it would if I had done my normal hair care routine in the shower. 2 shampoos, 1 condition, leave the conditioner in for 3 to 5 minutes, come out, brush it, blow dry, straighten. And this is the result I normally get, and I've gotten the same result using this bar. My hair is soft, it's silky, it's smooth. As you can see, it's so easy to run my fingers through. It falls, it catches the light. So, I mean, this bar performed extremely well, especially for it being just a bar, and you can use it on your body as well. So my final thoughts on the bar: it foams up really well. You don't have to rub too much in order to get it to foam up and soapy. It's very gentle on your hair. It didn't leave my hair feeling broken, tangled. Even post the shower, when I came out and I tried to brush it through, it brushed through perfectly fine. There was no knots, there was no tangling, no breakage, nothing like that. The great thing is that it took me half the time to wash my hair today than it normally does, because all I literally had to do was use this bar twice over my hair, rinse, and jump out of the shower. I was done, and I got basically the same results that I normally do. So definitely a thumbs up from me. I really liked it. I'm going to definitely carry this around with me when I am traveling. I mean, it's small, it's compact, it comes with, well, mine came with a little soap holder bar that's also small and compact. And you don't need to carry around a shampoo, a conditioner, and a soap bar. This is everything in one, which is really travel friendly. I think for day-to-day use, because it is a bar, and especially for my kind of hair, where you need to use it quite a bit more than you would for maybe thinner, shorter hair, the bar can run out quickly, so you might need to repurchase this a lot more. So I don't think for everyday use, but I definitely think for if you're going away or if you're traveling, this is definitely the thing you need in your bag. And it will save you space too, and kilograms. So yes, for the bar. Very impressed, highly recommend. Moving on to the body cream. So it came in this tube. This is a 15 milliliter tube. It smells really nice. I mean, I really like this cream. Also smells fresh, smells divine. I think this is a really good like travel size or like hand cream that you can keep with you in your handbag. I wouldn't recommend this one as a full-on body cream. I didn't find that it was very moisturizing. I also didn't find that it kind of went far. If I applied it here and I tried to rub it, by the time it got to the top, the product had already disappeared. So if you rub it, you kind of need to rub it in that specific spot. So you would need a lot more to cover your entire body, or even just your arms. But it's not that moisturizing. The product doesn't go that far, and also like 5 to 10 minutes after applying, my skin was dry again. So it's good for a touch-up during the day. It is good as a handbag hand cream. After you've washed your hands, especially now that we're sanitizing our hands a lot more, this one definitely works. But I think as a travel companion, good idea. I mean, I would definitely take this with me if I was traveling, or maybe in summer going to the pool and putting it in your little pool bag or your handbag, work bag, or whatever the case is. But I don't think it's like a full body cream. I think your body needs a lot more moisturizing, and a product that goes further than this does. So this one, I mean, I'm not going to give it a thumbs down, but I'm not going to give it a thumbs up either. We're kind of like in the middle. Can we do this? Is this a thing? We're going to give it like a neutral thumb. And that brings me to the end of this video. I will definitely be repurchasing a bar like this for myself, and I will be keeping this in my handbag. If you would like more information on these products as well as the brand, I will leave the links down below. I've also left them in my previous vlog, so if you haven't watched that, head over to that video and check it out. Follow me on Instagram, the handle is here, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.